We didn't come here looking for Mel, okay, Clover? We came hoping to find you again. Like the old you.
We were hoping this would help you move on. Help you get back to, living.
Hey. You okay?
Here, take some.
Hey.